Okay, students, today's lesson is branch and application of physics. The physics branch is an application in The objective is describe the different branch of physics and their applications. Objective የፊዚክስ የተለያዩ ብራንች እና አፕሊኬሽኑን መሰረት አድርገን እናያለን። Physics is a branch of natural science that explains the fundamental mechanisms governing the universe. Physics ማለት የብራንች ኦፍ ናቹራል ሳይንስ ሆኖ ዩኒቨርስን ገቨርን የሚያደርጉትን ሁሉ እናያለን። Over time, as technology advances, physics expanded into many specialized areas, each of focusing on certain phenomena. Physics specialized የሆኑ ብዙ ኤሪያዎች ላይ ፎከስ ያደርጋል። Main branch of physics የፊዚክስ ዋና ዋናዎቹ ብራንቾች mechanics studies motion and force. Classical mechanics explains the motion of everyday physical objects. Classical mechanics የምንለው ማንኛውም ፊዚካል ኦብጀክት እንቅስቃሴ ኤክስፕሌን ያደርግልናል። Quantum mechanics explore the behavior of tiny particles like proton, neutrons and electrons. Quantum mechanics የሚያጠናው ስለ ማይክሮስኮፕ በማየት በማንችላቸው ነገሮች ላይ ነው። Like proton, neutron and electron, these are subatomic particles. Acoustic studies how sound is produced and transmitted. Acoustic የሚያጠናው ሳውንድ እንዴት ፕሮዲዩስድ እንደሚሆንና እንዴት ትራንስሚት እንደሚሆን ይነግረናል። ለምሳሌ ሳውንድ ትራንስሚት የሚሆነው ሶሊድ ሊኩዊድ ጋዝ ካገኘ ነው። in vacuum transmitted መሆን አይችልም። So this studies about acoustic. Optics focus light behavior and property. ይሄ ደግሞ የሚያጠናልን ስለ ላይት behavior እና ስለ ላይት property ያጠናልናል። This part comes from the branch of physics that is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is also one of the branch of physics studies heat and energy. For instance, heat engine works principle of thermodynamics, refrigerator works principle of thermodynamics. Heat engine እና refrigerator የሚሰራው በthermodynamics አማካኝነት ነው። Electromagnetism studies electric and magnetic fields. ኤሌክትሮማግኔቲክ የሚያጠናው ስለ ኤሌክትሪክ ኤንድ ማግኔቲክ ፊልድ ነው የሚያጠናው። ፊልድ ማለት ፎርስ ያረፈበት ኤሪያው እንደማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በኤሌክትሪክ ኤንድ ማግኔቲክ ፊልድ የሚያጠናልን ስለ ኤሌክትሪክ ሞተር፣ ስለ ጄኔሬተር and so on. Nuclear physics studies atomic nucleus and their reactions. Nuclear physics የሚያጠናው ስለ nucleus of an atom and their reactions. Astrophysics applies physics to understand the stars, planets and the universe. Astrophysics የምንለው ስለ ስታሮች ያጠናል፣ ስለ ፕላኔቶች ያጠናል፣ ስለ ዩኒቨርስ ያጠናል። Physics principle are used in አሁን ፊዚክስ የፊዚክስ ፕሪንሲፕል የት ላይ መጠቀም እንዳለብን ነው የሚነግረን። Medicine the physics principle applies in the medicine like X-rays, ultrasounds, MRI scans. Forensic and military sciences for investigation and defense technology. Every defense technology like missiles, satellites are studied by physics principle like military science. Meteorology studies weather patterns, either the temperature, the variety of the temperatures studied by meteorology. Meteorology is the science of precise measurements. It also studies the measurement of science